Hey, what's up? It's Filip and welcome back to the channel. I hope you have a nice day, and let's install Adobe Acrobat Reader. Be sure to download it always from the respectable official website, otherwise it's known that it has some viruses. So make sure to use this official website that I will show you, or click on the link in the description. I will post that official link. So just type in Adobe Reader download and make sure that you don't click any ads. Instead click here, and I will put it in a link in the description. You can enable or don't enable. Uncheck this install McAfee security scan plus. You don't need this. And sometimes it's known that this McAfee has some viruses inside. It's strange, so make sure so you don't download this, and you'll be just fine. And click download, go to your desktop, click save. Now it will download it, and if you click on the desktop when it's downloaded, you can install it, and you need to wait for a few moments for the installation to complete. Okay, after the installation is complete, just click finish here, and over here you can set the default app for your PDF files. If you want, you can choose the Adobe Acrobat, or you can choose Google Chrome. After that, double click to your icon to open it up, and over here you can do all your PDF work. And but if you're interested into easy and free online version of this program that doesn't require a premium license or any money, you can check out this playlist over here, and I'm sure you will find something that will help you. And this is it. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.